Hello guys, following by with this afternoon. आता आम बायसत आहे आज एलिसागे बर्थडे सांगलो देव तो एलिसागे बर्थडे वयता आयजू सो Nadia Madri ते गेली Angel also ready and Kisha also is ready. Nika, why to?
Alika's birthday.
Elisa's birthday and my diva Angel. So बायसत आता एलिसागे बर्थडे ती रावता समका वइन लोग तो हमके रावता लेट जाते बुरग्यागे न्हू सो गाइस आयज एलिसा के बर्थडे एलिसा बर्थडे कर आणि त्याचे बारा कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी आज इज द मॅन तेगेलो बर्थडे सो दोगांगे बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करताय आणि वाय आय वॉन्ट टू गेट यू ऑल इन दिस फ्रेम इज दिस फॅमिली ही माय and she has seen generations to generations and she सगळ्यांक मेळना चोवपाक वी आर वेरी ब्लेस्ड टू हॅव दीस कॅप्चर्ड इन वन फ्रेम सो माय चेअर्स कर ओके गाइस नाव वी गोट डू द कटिंग ऑफ केक नायजला तेंका रावताले असो येयलो डॉन असो येयलो नायजल भितर हा see so many kids like you know it's a blessing to have like this a family where you have your grandparents. वाती सोली ऐसे बढ़िया
Angel is waiting. When we cut the cake?
No.
You don't cut the cake?
No, wait.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elisa. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you, dear. Ready? Happy birthday to you.
No, we're family.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Francis. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you, dear. Happy birthday to you. आशीर्वाद घालून आपल्या मोगान तुका सांभाळून तुझे आपले मुखामोल फाकून संतोषानी शांती तुमका देऊन Elisa,
Pora hoy. Hoy go. Ha. Dale. Madri.
एक सेकंड Elisa enjoy
So guys, Ara in the house. We are gonna play houses. Special houses. आणि आपण विचारून गेल्या सॉर्ट तशी लागतो ते मशीन सगळ्याचे हाऊजी याचे बिंगो या कोण
My
दोन
favorite number, lucky number.
What?
नंबर 5 ओय सगळ्या हा सगळे कॅमेराचे हाय हाय एव्हिडंट सगळ्यांकडे हाय म्हणून हाऊजी लोक बसून आहे सारखे
46.
आफ्टर 90 वॉज 46 राईट
Wait, रे बाबा.
Next number 7 and 4. 74.
7 and 4, 74.
Yes, come on now, yeah, just get it closer. Tara, fast, guys. Parabéns, yeah.
30.
Yes, I got it. Guys, I am the winner. Yeah, say.
I wanted one.
You wanted one?
All the way from UK.
इथे त्रास घेऊन सगळ्या शूटिंगात डाव माग लागप ना म्हणल्यार हा Yes, I'm the winner. कन्फर्म करता त्याच्याकडे कन्फर्म
Ashley जिंकला first prize.
One line.
बस
Horizontal line.
आज कोणा लागता लागो दी हॉरिझॉन्टल बी माग पडून गेलो
54.
नो
5
नियरली
and
क्लोज
4. 54.
54
5 and 9. 59.
Yes.
Dale.
Just one more number to go. Please get it on.
2 and 6. 20.
No, it's my birthday. No.
Maria, Angel.
मारी आणि हा कॉम्पिटिशन आणि एंजल कॉम्पिटिशन आहे 3 3 3
86.
No. मिळाला मारिया मिळाला हा मारिया फॉल्स कॉल झालेला रॉंग झाल्या चेक कर म्हाका दिला चेक कर बा
Check करू एक
मारिया इज द विनर जी गिफ्ट ऑल ओव्हर
प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्युशन
दोन मिळवले
होय दोन येले आमका दोन
एक तुयेन आणि एक मामीनो
आणि एक नंबर चुकला पाहिले नाडबाद ओ प्राइस म्हाका एक स्कूटर लागल्या एक स्कूटर आणि त्याची बरं स्कूटर चाई मिळाली Even Mama horizontal line one number she missed.
थर्ड प्राइज अनेक लाल
The second game. So this is for you.
एलिस
या वेळार या जेवणाचेर हे जेवण जेवतल्यांचेर आनी जेवण करतल्यांचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद जाता आनी जेवणा उदेशी आमकां कोण एकल्याक थोडीशी भलायकी फावो कर म्हणून आमी मागता त्याच आमच्या सोम्या जेजू क्रिस्ता वरवीं आमीन
कोण से मातशी रुचयली अरे भूक लागली म्हाका रोखडें जेवपा मागीर
See it before, you'll see it again. Life is a song, it ends when it ends. I was born, but my mama told me it's alright. You were dancing through the lightning strike. Sleepless in the honest night. Now the sky is open wide. Oh, my Lord, never made no one like you. Had to make you all sunshine. Now the sky is open wide. Heart a bullet, flying too fast I couldn't catch it. Heart in the casket. You always knew it. The storm rolled me in traction. Got kind of passion. Like, ooh. You put everybody's eyes and just you. See it too. Ooh. You should have anyone else you wanna do. I'm begging you. Hands up, get me in love. Get me in love. Hands up, get me in love. Back off from my foot. Get me in love. Back off, get me in love. 'Cause ooh,
So guys, घरा येयले बी आतां आमी हांव खासा जालजो सारको. Was a nice get together birthday party for the family only. And there few of our friends had come. Elisa again and चोड को बेटीन ते आमकां लागून दोन कितें भुरगीं धाकटी आसलो न्ही ती वयर बी नाचता म्हणून वयर कोतालो ते घरा कडेन. So sweet of Betty, Elisa, Elekra that you all thought of us to make your birthday party in that way. Really, hore. आमकां इतली स्पेशल फील करता बरें दिसता थिंगा. So really nice. And even you guys are very special for us. आनी आतां मुगेलो प्रेजेंट ओपन करता. म्हाका प्रायज लागलो तो ओपन करता हांव. So हो तो मुगेलो. ते म्हणटा पळय बॉक्स धाकटी जाल्यार काय ना की तितून व्हडल्यो आसता म्हणून माय दॅट इज मारियास.
Okay, so gift मेळ्ळो म्हाका actually. No. It's frozen warm bowl.
हे तुका बरें मुगो.
Yes. Let me
Huh?
open this. What do you got?
Angel can take a pack lunch in this.
No.
It's
Even दरपा बरेच.
Fridgin Durba. It's for you. I will give you for pack lunch.
There it is.
Okay, she open. She wants to open Nana's. Let's see.
Oh, it's like something.
For you to keep all the jars. तुका तुझी सगळे मसाले वसाले कितें दवरपाक तोले तुका बरो जार मेवला तेजे दोन उतरां उलयतली.
देव बरी करून म्हणटा एलिसा.
वेल एलिसा वडेवर ते उमेद कितें प्रायज लागलो तो कितें मेळटे न्हू ते बिस्ते हालील गो बॉक्स जाल्यार म्हाका प्रॉब्लम आसना जालें. प्रायज लागता म्हणल्यार इतली लोकां मदीं एकल्या फर्स्ट प्रायज लागून म्हणल्यार कितें व्हेरी नायस. हो तो खरें बरें आहा. सो गायज हो व्हिडिओ हितून काबार करता. Yeah, I hope you all have enjoyed watching this. Yeah, barik family get together. Anik amge family get together zapaha. Yeah, especially from Nadia's side. So we can also meopa pawana ami. So we'll be having it also very soon. So we all family coming together. For now, well, stay safe. God bless you all. And my final word to say.
Adios.
Adios. What do you say, Angel?
Adios.
Yes, Kisha, what do you want to say?
Adios.